Hey folks, so grabe no, napahanga talaga ako kay Raffy Tulfo in action. Or rather, Senator Raffy Tulfo. Grabe. So, our topic natin ay ang Mika Salamanca issue. And by the way, regarding our channel, we'll still be continuing these commentaries. But of course, we're doing the news din na as in news na seryoso. Of course, there's always area for improvement, but we'll try our best to give you the best. Anyways, balik tayo. So, ano reklamo? Si Mika Salamanca kasi and yung partner niya, merong vape brand, which is Flair. Now, itong investors na to, of course, nag-invest. But they eventually found out na yung in-invest pala nila ay hindi talaga in a way investment. But, well, base sa kwento nila and base sa term na alam ko, it's actually used for embezzlement. What is embezzlement? Yun yung paggamit ng pera ng investor sa anything other than purpose nito. So, kunyari, kahit ako may dalawang companies, nag-invest sa company A si investor, but then I use that money for company B dahil, I don't know, siguro dahil medyo kailangan ng funds and injection ni company B. So, ganun. So, this situation naman na nangyari, they discovered na pinambili ng materials sa China. Anong materials? Yun nga, yung products na vape. So, in short, parang sila ang talagang nagtayo ng kumpanya ni Mika na they didn't know. Kasi normally, when you ask investors for investment, it's used to actually palaguin yung anong company, 'di ba? Yung existing, 'di ba? Pwede ring pambili ng products niyan, but hindi yung initial. Kasi different purpose na yun eh. And for me, that's embezzlement. So yeah, may nakausap na attorney si Senator Raffy Tulfo from DTI, and eventually it led to a scheduled Senate hearing sa Wednesday sa investigasyon. Kasi nga, ang galing, talagang kinall out ni Senator Raffy Tulfo na alam niyang may sabwatan, yan nga, yung DTI, yung SEC, yung BIR, even the customs, na dati pala ay may mga vape brand na hindi naman na raid, but, sobrang scrutinized and dapat ipapasara na, but according to Senator Raffy Tulfo, nagkalagayan. So, ayan, dahil nga, may mga ganyan anomalya, bring out na into the open. So, in the open rather. So, grabe. Sadly, si Mika Salamanca, hindi na sumasagot even her partner. And Mika daw went back na to the US. And I think, part American na citizen? I mean, rather dual citizen of Filipino-American or totally American. Long story short, naka-enchant niya tayo. Ayun, kawawa yung investors, but I guess ganun talaga. Looking at the big picture na lang, at least this is leading to yung pangmalakihan talaga, investigasyon dyan sa mga vape na yan. And sana din ma-bring up yung many studies na yung vape talaga ay nakaka-cause ng CAN, CER. Yes, may mga studies talaga na ganun. So, sa mga nanonood sa aking ibang channels, I'm sorry kung nag-endorse ako ng vape dati. Or rather, hindi naman exactly endorser, but, I attended an event na vape. Na, for me, as a creator, I should take responsibility for this and I should apologize. Na, kahit papano, na-promote ko pa rin siya sa aking page. Na ganyan pala siyang kasama. Na not just sa health natin, but really is used to propagate a long-running sabwatan ng korupsyon. So, manood po tayong lahat sa Wednesday kay Senator Raffy Tulfo, Committee on Public Services sa Senado.